Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video I am going to show you how to make embossed kind of a Christmas star making with using the chart paper or origami paper. See, this origami paper you can use for like just for a project purpose, but when you use the chart paper it will really give you a life to hang or use a long time. So it is a smaller in size. So let us see how to make. Basically we require only the paper, whichever color you would like to make the star. I have taken a chart sheet here. It is little thicker so that I can use the star for a hanging purpose over a long time. So that's why I am using this. And we require a Fevicol, then measuring scale. So as the star petals I am just planning 10, and this size will be, measurement size will be 10 by 10, 10 centimeters by 10 centimeters. You can make out here. So if you want a bigger size star, then you proportionately increase the sizes, measurements. So initially we have to give a middle fold like this. This fold initially nothing to do with this fold, just we are giving because in a further process it will be useful. That time we can't fold it so clearly, so if you fold it now it will be easy to make you the further process. So taking this line as a reference, from the one side we have to give a triangular fold like this. The same way other side also we have to give a triangular fold. So if you observe in this folding, all that matters is the base of the triangle should be equal. The both sides, whatever triangle we made, the base is like this equal. Now turn this into the other side, and the other side also you have to make a triangle, taking the same middle line as a reference. So this triangle will be little smaller than the first one which we made. As I have taken a thick chart sheet, it will be little difficult me to fold it like this. So if you prefer the chart sheet, the hollow space of the star will be strong enough to view actually. So that's why I prefer the thicker sheet. You can do the same process with the origami paper also. So like this we have made the star. Again, as I told you, the star base should be the equal. Now turn it to front side and fold these two backwards into middle portion like this. So almost 3 model of foldings we done. Now one open part we got, one closed part. Here it is a closed part. So holding this closed part, you have to make another triangle folding which will equivalent to the base of the triangle like this. It is a cross folding. So initially whatever we did straight folding, that folding will be helpful for us now actually. See, now middle we have to fold it. So this middle folding actually that the base folding what we did. So after doing all these things, like it will be easy for us to fold actually. Now if you see, you will form a M shape here. If you slowly move it to the opposite side of this corner, you will get a M shape. As a result, now you can make out two corner ends like this. So with a thin object, you try to open this sheet, the folding whatever. So that's how you will form the hollow space of the star like this. You can make out nicely. Now with one petal itself you can make out the star shape clearly like this. One closed end, one open end will come. Like the same way we have to make 5 pieces. One more I will show you for your reference. So our 5 star pieces are ready here. Now moving further, I'll show you how to attach these pieces. So make sure the corners will be straight and sharp edges. Now the closed part, whatever is there, to that part, the corners you have to apply the glue thoroughly, and the down also. And to this we will be joining the second one's open part like this. So once you join, just hold it a few seconds to make sure it will attach firmly. So this is the same process you have to follow to attach all the sheets. Finally, the last one I am attaching. You will have enough space to move the petals little flexibly. So if at all you are finding some difficulty in attaching, you can just slowly move the petals so that the middle gap will come like this. Our star is ready now. So you can see here middle hole. If you press that hole, that hollow part will become little more embossed like this. You can shape it out properly once it is dry. And to close this middle hole, I am just keeping just with small kundans here, like pearls. And the same how, if you want a bigger size, as I told you, I have taken a 10 by 10 here, 10 by 10 centimeters. So if you proportionately increase the measurements, then you will get a bigger size star also. So that's how, very easy process. I hope you all like this star making process. Please give a trial and don't forget to mention your comments in the comment section. And if you like the video, don't forget to share the video. Thank you so much for watching.